You ever get the sneaking suspicion that law school left out some of the most important parts, like how to actually be an expert and counsel your clients in a given area of law, like, for example, estate planning? Well, that's exactly how my client Bethany felt when she came to us. And today, she's the go-to estate planning lawyer offering life and legacy planning for the underserved in Wyoming and Utah. And let me tell you, when she joined us, she was in law school when she first heard about us, and she was hearing us talk about these $10,000 days. And she said, there's no way. That is too good to be true. Well, today, $10,000 or more days are routine for Bethany. See if you can relate to her story.
When I was in law school, we learn about estate planning. We have these concepts. But because I was a 30-year-old when I went to law school, my thoughts were always, well, how do I, okay, that's fine. I understand this piece of the law. How do I actually do it? Because I'm not learning anything of how do I actually do this? What does it take? So in the program, we got some drafting options of how we would draft the documents and what does a drafted document look like and what should it contain? And what are the best protective provisions in the document and how do I learn this stuff? And so that piece was so helpful to me because it kind of made all those years of school come together. And Ali gave recommendations about which type of software to use. And the software I went with was super helpful to me because then I could actually get in and I could learn more about the law because I could see how it fit and I could piece, all of these pieces came together. And so just having sort of that direction, I don't even know if in law school I could have asked my teacher, how do I do it? Some of them weren't even practicing attorneys, and I don't think they knew how to do what I was asking, which was, how do I get all of this onto a piece of paper? And, how I don't understand it. So the program to me was, okay, now this is how we would do this. This is a practical step. And like I said, that drafting piece for me made all of that just feel like click. It was like on fire. Okay, this is so exciting. It's the law, and I'm putting it together and it's working and it will work. And if something happens, the document has power in it because it was done correctly.